home here at the abandoned school by myself. This is the auditorium where Sly said he heard little kids' voices. So we're gonna sit here and see for a little bit. Do we hear any voices? Whatever I don't see and y'all see it, make sure y'all comment down below. It's my first time seeing Solo Dolo, you mean? Getting content for y'all. But I'm here by myself at the abandoned school in West Philadelphia. And it is dark in here. But this is where Sly said he heard the kids' voices, so I was right here last time I was here. I was like right over here. So let's see. See quiet, y'all. Let's move along. I don't want to be in here too long. Like I said, I'm solo dolo. Supposed to come back here with Mr. Work. Walk in Philly. But gotta be careful, y'all, you know. Be bones, homeless people. What we might, let me see. I could try to go live on YouTube at the same time for y'all. Let's see. It's a very big school. My fault, y'all. Trying to get this together for y'all. Another set of steps. Let's go up. A lot of floors. Sorry about that. Like I said, I really don't want to be in here too long. Just to show y'all a little, when we come here, we're walking Philly. A lot of people vandalize the place. That's another school right across. There's another school right across the field. You can go check that out. We missed the work too. That's a bigger school, but right now we have Bartram Annex. And I don't think I want to go in the basement yet. But this place is like real eerie, man. Can't lose the connection. Like I said, I don't want to be here too long. We're gonna come back from this work. Like these classrooms used to be connected. I don't know if I'm tripping. Or I see like a shadow down here. So it was real eerie, like I feel like I see the shadow there in the corner of my eye. I don't really know. And that's where the auditorium is at, right there. like I was saying, right there is where I seen the shadow right there. I was standing over there. I had a real eerie vibe. Was that door open? I believe it was. I believe it was. I believe it was. Yeah, we're gonna get out of here. We're getting a real weird feeling. We're gonna come back though. Mr. Rick, I want to show you the basement. I don't know if y'all heard that, but it just sounded like a cup or something dropped. Alright, so we gonna get out of here because I don't know if y'all heard that, but it sounded like a cup or something. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but there's something down there. It's like a dripping noise or something. Also, it's another floor, and then it's the basement down there. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We definitely coming back here. Look at the school. The school is huge. I heard it again. And that's coming from the inside. But we definitely gonna get out of here. We're gonna come back when it's to work. Now the other school I'm talking about is right across the field over there. Y'all might have seen it in my other couple videos I made. We're gonna go check that one out. Not tonight, but again. But Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out of here. So, I ain't gonna be in there too long. But I got a real weird vibe after I heard a couple sounds, and I swear I'm telling you, I saw a shadow figure. But we're about to get back to the crib right now. Hopefully, we come here tomorrow. We either go here or we go to the other school. But yeah, after I heard like started hearing sounds, the vibe got real weird, like real weird. But like I said before, Sly said he heard kids' voices when I was in the auditorium last time I was there. So if y'all hear anything, see anything that I didn't see, make sure y'all comment down below. But other than that, I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm back with the videos, y'all. I'm back with the videos. I know I was gone for a minute. I mean, I was dealing with a lot of stuff. I started working on my music and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to get back to y'all, man. About to get y'all the content y'all be wanting. But alright, man. Stop talking y'all heads off. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Hopefully, me and Mr. Work, aka Walk in Philadelphia, we come here tomorrow. Check out a little bit more than what y'all seen today. And like I said, we either gonna go to that school over there, or we're gonna go to the school over there. And the one that's on that side is a way bigger one. I've been there before. Like I've been both schools like a while ago. Like I think like probably a year ago, 2 years ago. But I haven't really got to fully explore both schools like all and out, because that one over there is like a really big school, but I'm out of here, y'all.